What's going on, YouTube? What's going on, squad? Chris with No Limit Squad coming at you with this next video on unboxing number 2. Two things have come in the mail, so if you've been following, we had a little incident last time, and you know what? One of the things that I've learned in life is that shit happens, alright? So, instead of whining and complaining like a little baby, you know, I talked to the guys, and they hooked me up with another bar. I'm going to show you guys exactly what happened here. Here we are. So they just sent me the bar. I am super pumped and excited. Yeah. Here we are. Yes, my gains are back. Isochain number 2. Now, this is super sturdy. I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little gun shy now. With this. I really don't want this to happen again. I really don't. And I'm not placing blame on anyone. I just want to get strong, man. Just like we all do. That's why we're watching the channel. To learn about the Isochain, all the movements, all the exercises, all that stuff, man. That's why we're here. Alright? So yeah, I gotta put the batteries in, but brand new Isochain bar. Here's the old one, by the way. So notice something different, right? So the welding that I showed from the last video, now again, it still turns on. I have the batteries in it and everything, but there's no loading reflex anymore. I'm pulling on it right now, and it's nothing. It's 0.0. So yeah, you know, it is what it is with life. But you know, we got the new one. To be honest, guys, I'm not sure if I'm gonna deadlift anymore on this. I mean, I'm sure I could, but to find the replacements for these seems to be a bitch. So I'm a little gun shy. I mean, wouldn't you be? Right? I mean, it's some nice tech here. So if I only gotta disregard the deadlift and I could do everything else, because the deadlift is where I was pulling almost 5. All right, it's 464 as y'all saw in that video. So if that's what was really warping the metal itself, I'd rather not and just get everything else strong. The biceps, the reverse, the shoulder press. The shrugs I'm still a little unsure of as well. I'm not sure. I might just keep this to the small lifts. I don't know. If you guys have any suggestions, I just really don't want to go through this again. Alright. The other thing, and I know what this is, the book. And believe it or not, I'm just as excited about this as I am about the new bar for the Isochain. You always learn more from a book when you go over it multiple times. But it's something nice about having the hard copy so that you can just physically flip to that page that you need in case of reference. And I will be doing a lot of referencing, as I'm sure many of you guys will too. But here's what it looks like. Oh, well, I thought it'd be spiral bound for some reason. This is a big ass book. Look at it. Nice. Yeah, all 400 something pages of that. Yeah, all that. Give me all that. I'm gonna be in this book all the time. All the time. Okay? Just like I need to be in this camera all the time instead of up here where y'all can't see me. Right? Still getting used to this YouTube thing. Okay. Oh my God. It's beautiful. Okay. Cool. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. Just give you guys a quick update. Again, there's going to be a lot more of these videos. Sorry that there was a little delay between a couple of the videos. I couldn't find a cord to link up the GoPro because I lost the other one. So, but it's no big deal. So here we are, 5-minute, 6-minute video, and I will see you guys in the next one.